The Chamber's Roundtable program is truly designed to bring people who are in very similar situations together to share best practices, problem solve, and really learn from one another.
There's a tremendous resource network here that the Cincinnati Chamber has brought together. They're experts in this program at almost every different aspect of corporate life.
In this region, there's a need for best practice sharing. There's always opportunities to learn from each other.
I get my best ideas when I'm brainstorming with other people. And so to have that opportunity to have people who were really experts in their field just really helps you to broaden your perspective.
How do we increase productivity, increase efficiency, increase leadership across the table to then improve the processes within the organization? And once we have improved people, improved processes, we have an improved culture.
The key to the roundtables is that they are a safe place. So it's a safe place built on a culture of high confidentiality and trust.
If you're truly interested in bettering yourself as a leader and finding a group of people that you can trust and lean on, I highly recommend the Roundtable program.
I really find that the value is immeasurable. It's so very worth the financial investment and the time investment.
So if you want to have an opportunity to have steel sharpen steel, your roundtable is the option. We welcome you, and we invite you, and we look forward to seeing you.